What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I am so excited to get you this video, all right? It's Blogely original, and I have never been more pumped up about the benefits you get with this video, all right? The link down below is a lifetime link, and you can only get this deal by hitting that link. I'm going to show you exactly what it does later on in the video, but stay with me because you're going to go through all the benefits you're going to get plus more. Now, let's get straight in. I'm excited. The channel's excited. If you're excited, hit the like, the subscribe. Let's roll, baby. So here is Blogely Original. Okay, it's an all-in-one content manager with the AI assistant. I'm going to rattle through what it's got and why you should get this, all right? But quick one overview. We've got features, price, and blog resources and login at the top. And the link down below is a lifetime deal. Please stay to the end of the video and I'll show you exactly how much you can save. Now, you can start for free, which I'm going to click and show you right now. Okay, all you got to do is put your email in. I'm going to put mine in and press next, all right? And it's going to sign you straight up. You should get a code in your email. I'm going to hide my email for security purposes, but I'm going to put the code in. It's the ultimate content production system, right? Saves time every day. This is what it looks like when you get the access, all right? You've got all this articles, social media flow, and blogs. Then it'll go to your dashboard and things on the first page if you have a look. Dashboard navigation, really cool, really simple content. Now, it's the simplest way to manage your entire blog, all right? You sync your blog site, optimize and improve, and publish it. You're going to be creating compelling content and making it easier. So you focus on quality, work smarter, and grow your business. Now, you spend less time hopping between other tools because we know that is the bane, all right? So starting with number one, why this helps. We have research. So before you can write, you gather together. We can write and rewrite. So create logical flow and put your stamp on it. Organize for maximum efficiency. SEO optimized for non-techies, so you don't have to be a techie in this. Publish quick and easy with a single click and promote the hell out of it. All right, now watch this. I'm going to tell you the benefits you get here in this all-in-one content manager solution. Are you ready for this? Hold your breath. You're going to get it. It's going to be fast. It's going to be good, but I'm going to tell you why that link down below is going to save you hundreds of thousands of dollars on all these benefits. Ready? Easy to use, writing app, complete organization, content research, full blog list sync, SEO optimization, easy import and export, SEO heat maps, content polarized scanner, quick publishing to CMS, editorial calendar, folder and tags, workflow management, video notes, social media campaigns, dashboard for writers, post scheduling, your client's workspace, task assignments, free content portfolio hosting, feedbacks, team collaboration, block templates, one-click backups, block versus in, block auto backup, complete black status. I told you guys, there is so many benefits to this. Let me know in the comments if you're hyped up. You get private blocks, image comparisons, content phrasing, HTML code, full library, quick post sharing, affiliate links, track and change history, PDF with highlights, multi-chain distribution, Giphy and Pixabay, link notes, insert tables, Chrome extension, automated TLC, built-in share, two-way sync, team chats, and issue tracker. All right, incredible. This is to mastermind your content strategy, right? It's like a little penknife. So you flip it out, you've got your feedback, your organization, right, and your portfolio, assets, all these things coming out to help you along the way, all right? It's really incredible. There's people that are loving this, all right? We got Larry, Frank, and Lisa at the bottom telling you how much it is, and you can just click that button and get started. But what I want to show you is the pricing of this, right? I'm gonna scroll to the top and hit the pricing. And now why the link down below is incredible, okay? So you can have the free account where you get unlimited articles, one content portfolio, free portfolio hosting, access to client's workspace. Or you can become a freelancer for $19 and you get the following. You can do a starter and you can get the following. Or you could be a solo entrepreneur, a solo, and get the following. Or with growth, you get the big packet. All right? Really incredible. Now, this is for everyone. I'm going to tell you right now, by clicking that link down below, you're about to get the greatest, the best, the most incredible lifetime deal for this package, and you will get everything that I have read out today. Are you ready? We're going to click it on 3, on 1, on 2, on 3. Let's click. And that'll take you to this page, all right? If you scroll down to the bottom, it's going to go through everything you get. It's got your lifetime deal. So what do you actually get? You get lifetime access to Blogely added on. All future starter code, one, solo, growth, everything that I talked about in the last couple of minutes. You must redeem your code within 60 days. You can stack up to 10 codes. Previous Appsumo customers who purchase Blogely can buy more, and previous Appsumos will be grandfathered into new limits. Now, you get a 60-day money-back guarantee, so you can try this for 2 months for free, and that's not using the free tier. That's using the top tier that they charge $99 for. You're getting it for free. All right, incredible. It also includes unlimited articles, unlimited notes and library, editational, version, backups, SEO optimization, SEO recommended, workflow for it, feedback, blog listing, and one owner account. Look at this. Look at this. If you want multiple, you can get it. You're going to save $1,188. That's for 20 websites. All right, if you want that single one, it's $79. See how much money you're saving. And this is lifetime. It'll never go up. It'll never go down. You're grandfathered in at this price. You're actually going to save $348 for this one-time purchase. The double is $158. Okay, this is incredible. I'm super, super excited. No monthly fees. All right, this is one lifetime go, and you get 2 months free. If you only do 59 days, you're going to get your money back if you don't like it, all right? So that's why this is incredible. Please, please, please let me know in the comments if you're going to get it and hit that link down below. Let me know, guys, if this is something that you're going to get involved in, all right? I know it might not be for everyone, but this is just too good to pass up. It's Blogely. I'm loving it. It's incredible. I really like how easy the whole interface is. All right, everything's in one place. You don't have to go running around for it. This is why I love it. So hit the like button if you like it too. Hit the subscribe if you love it too. Hit the bell if you want to be notified about the next time I'm giving you a lifetime deal, which is going to be very, very soon. There's a hint, hint. Okay, and you will be notified. Please, please keep supporting the channel. From me, have a blessed day, and I will see you on the very next video.